Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to book biometric appointment in Luxembourg country or city. It's very simple process. After receiving such kind of letter, you can eligible to apply biometrics appointment. So just yesterday I am receiving this letter. So in this video, I'll provide you how to book appointment. It's very simple process. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just put it this link. I already put it this particular link in video section. So you just enter this particular link and come this here security question. So here half of 2. So simply type here 1, click here, and the next page is open here. You can always convert as a English if you are not understand like a French or a Dutch. Next, select this one and simply next. So here needed to add your entire detail information. So you just put it here your name, first name, last name, and national identity number, email address, and your telephone number, and next. After clicking the next, so here two options are available. If you enter the biometrics or return your residence card, so I select here enter the biometrics, your family member or your own. So if you are your family member, so you select, otherwise I go with no, I go with myself. And here you need to carry two documents. First of all, valid passport, and second one the convocation letter. So this letter you already received this letter in your mailbox, so you can carry the hard copy of this letter and passport. And the next, as a next point of view, you select here date. So simply now 6th of June and 12th of June, no date is available. So you okay, next time slot 30th June or 19th June also not available, like a 20 to 26 also not available. So 27 to 3rd July is available for the date. So that point of view, I select here 1st of July. So 1st of July, like office are open 8 o'clock and close like 4:45. So you select which time is suitable for you accordingly. So I select here 8:30. Just simply select and then click the next step. And then that's it. After you select here, check and then next step, and your all detail are information completed. So like information, appointment detail, request detail, appointment date, communicate, and then entry is a confirm and your appointment is a book. You just go there accordingly your time slot and then carry two documents and complete your biometric process, and within a 2 week you can very easily get the residence permit. Upcoming videos I will provide you how to get residence permit. They are sending you via mail, or again you went the particular office and collect by physical. So we will see in upcoming videos. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.